Did you know that the global healthcare market is projected to reach $11.9 trillion by 2022? And yet, some of the most promising companies remain hidden gems, flying under the radar of most investors. While everyone is focused on big names like Pfizer and Johnson Johnson, there are smaller, innovative companies making waves with groundbreaking technologies and treatments. In this video, we'll uncover the underdogs and niche players in the healthcare sector that you probably haven't heard of but should definitely know about. From digital health startups transforming patient care to regenerative medicine companies pioneering new treatments, there's a world of opportunity out there. Stay tuned as we dive into the exciting world of value investing in healthcare. You'll learn about overlooked innovators, niche biotech firms with huge potential, and the next big things in preventative care and healthcare infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll have a list of hidden gems that could make a big impact on your investment strategy. Don't miss out on discovering these untapped opportunities. 1. The underdogs, overlooked healthcare innovators. When you think of healthcare stocks, giants like Pfizer and Johnson Johnson probably come to mind. But there's a whole world of smaller, innovative companies flying under the radar. These underdogs often have breakthrough technologies or unique approaches that make them potential goldmines. For instance, consider companies like Axonics Modulation Technologies. They specialize in sacral neuromodulation, a treatment for bladder and bowel dysfunctions. It's a niche market, but with millions affected, the growth potential is huge. Did you know that small-cap healthcare stocks can sometimes outperform their larger counterparts? According to a study by UBS, small-cap healthcare stocks have historically offered higher returns over the long term. These companies often grow rapidly because they're starting from a smaller base. Plus, they're usually more agile and can adapt quickly to new technologies and market needs. One strategy is to look for companies with strong intellectual property. Patents can be a goldmine. A good example is CRISPR Therapeutics. They hold patents for gene editing technology that could revolutionize the treatment of genetic disorders. The potential for growth is enormous, and investors are starting to take notice. Another approach is to find companies with solid partnerships. Collaboration with bigger firms can boost a small company's credibility and resources. Take for instance, BioNTech. Before becoming a household name with its COVID-19 vaccine, it had several strategic partnerships that helped it scale its operations. Financial health is crucial too. Look for companies with strong balance sheets and low debt. Companies like Insulet Corporation, which specializes in insulin delivery systems, have shown robust financial health and consistent revenue growth. This stability makes them attractive investments. Lastly, consider the management team. Strong leadership can make a huge difference. Companies led by experienced industry veterans often navigate challenges better. For example, 10x Genomics, which focuses on genetic sequencing, has a leadership team with deep industry experience, driving its innovation and growth. 2. Beyond Big Pharma, niche biotech firms with potential. Big pharma companies dominate the headlines, but niche biotech firms are where some of the most exciting innovations happen. These companies focus on specialized treatments or rare diseases, offering unique investment opportunities. Did you know that rare disease drugs, also known as orphan drugs, can be incredibly profitable? According to Evaluate Pharma, orphan drugs are expected to capture 20% of worldwide prescription sales by 2024. One strategy is to invest in companies developing treatments for rare diseases. Take Alexion Pharmaceuticals, for example. They focus on rare diseases and have seen tremendous growth. Their drug Soliris, used to treat a rare blood disorder, has been a game changer. Another interesting area is cancer immunotherapy. Companies like Adaptive Biotechnologies are at the forefront of this field. They use the immune system to fight cancer, a method that's shown promising results. Investing in such innovative therapies can be highly rewarding. It's also wise to look at biotech firms with strong research pipelines. Companies with multiple drugs in development spread their risk. For instance, Alnylam Pharmaceuticals focuses on RNA interference therapies and has a robust pipeline with several promising candidates. Biotech firms with strategic alliances often have a leg up. Collaborations can provide the necessary funding and expertise to bring new drugs to market. Bluebird Bio, known for its gene therapies, has several strategic partnerships that bolster its research and development efforts. Investing in early-stage biotech companies can be risky but rewarding. These firms often operate at the cutting edge of medical science. Take Adidas Medicine, a company working on CRISPR-based gene editing. While still in its early stages, the potential for groundbreaking treatments is immense. 3. Tech meets health. Digital health startups on the rise. Digital health is transforming the way we think about healthcare. It's a fast-growing sector that combines technology with medical care to improve patient outcomes. Startups in this field are particularly exciting because they often bring innovative solutions to the table. For instance, companies like Livongo have revolutionized chronic disease management with digital platforms that help patients manage their conditions more effectively. One effective strategy is to look for startups focusing on telemedicine. The pandemic accelerated the adoption of telehealth, and this trend is here to stay. Teladoc Health, for instance, saw its revenue skyrocket as more people turned to virtual doctor visits. Investing in telemedicine companies can be a smart move as this sector continues to expand. Wearable technology is another hot area. Companies like Fitbit, now part of Google, have paved the way for health-focused wearables that monitor everything from heart rate to sleep patterns. These devices are becoming increasingly sophisticated, offering more data and insights into our health. AI in healthcare is also a game-changer. Companies like Zebra Medical Vision use AI to analyze medical imaging and detect diseases early. This technology can potentially save lives and reduce healthcare costs. Investing in AI-driven health startups can provide significant returns as this technology becomes more widespread. Another strategy is to look at digital therapeutics. These are evidence-based interventions delivered via software programs to prevent, manage, or treat medical conditions. Pear Therapeutics, for example, develops digital therapies for substance use disorders and insomnia. This approach can complement traditional treatments and provide new avenues for patient care. Patient data management is also a crucial area. Companies like Health Catalyst provide data warehousing and analytics solutions to healthcare organizations. Efficient data management can lead to better patient outcomes and operational efficiencies, making these companies valuable investments. Lastly, consider startups that offer health services to underserved populations. Companies like CityBlock Health provide primary care, behavioral health, and social services to marginalized communities. These startups not only have a positive social impact but also tap into a growing market need. For the future of healthcare, companies in regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is a groundbreaking field that holds immense potential. It's all about repairing or replacing damaged cells, tissues, and organs. Companies in this sector are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. For instance, Atherces is working on stem cell therapies that could revolutionize the treatment of stroke and other conditions. A smart strategy is to invest in companies with a strong focus on stem cell research. These companies are developing therapies that can regenerate damaged tissues, offering hope for conditions that currently have limited treatment options. Mesoblast, for instance, is a leader in this field with a robust pipeline of stem cell therapies. Gene therapy is another exciting area. Companies like Spark Therapeutics, acquired by Roche, are making strides in treating genetic disorders. Their gene therapy for a rare form of blindness is already making a significant impact. Investing in gene therapy companies can be highly rewarding as these treatments become more mainstream. Tissue engineering is also a key component of regenerative medicine. Companies like Organogenesis are developing products that help the body regenerate its tissues. Their wound care products, for example, are used to treat diabetic foot ulcers, a common and serious complication of diabetes. Another approach is to look at companies developing regenerative treatments for chronic diseases. Biotime, now known as Lineage Cell Therapeutics, focuses on using cell therapies to treat age-related diseases. Their innovative approaches to treating conditions like macular degeneration offer significant growth potential. Investing in companies with strong clinical trial results is essential. Companies that demonstrate efficacy in their trials are more likely to succeed in the market. For example, Regeneron has shown promising results with its stem cell therapy for stroke patients, making it a compelling investment. 5. Health and wellness boom. Undervalued preventative care companies. Preventative care is becoming a big focus in healthcare. People are more interested in staying healthy than just treating illnesses. This shift creates opportunities for investors. Companies that provide preventative solutions are poised for growth. Take, for example, companies like Omada Health, which offers digital health programs for chronic disease prevention. One strategy is to invest in companies that specialize in wellness and preventative products. The global wellness market is booming, valued at over $4.5 trillion according to the Global Wellness Institute. Companies like Herbalife Nutrition are tapping into this demand with their range of wellness products. Another area to explore is companies that focus on fitness and healthy living. Peloton, for example, has revolutionized at-home fitness with its connected exercise equipment and digital content. Investing in companies promoting active lifestyles can yield significant returns as more people prioritize their health. Look for companies that offer innovative health monitoring solutions. Continuous health monitoring can catch issues early, leading to better outcomes. Dexcom, which produces continuous glucose monitoring systems for diabetes management, is a leader in this space. Their technology allows for real-time health tracking, which is a growing trend. Preventative screenings and diagnostics are also crucial. Companies like Exact Sciences, which developed Cologuard, a non-invasive colon cancer screening test, are at the forefront of this field. Their products make early detection more accessible, which is vital for effective prevention. Nutritional supplements and healthy food companies are also worth considering. As people become more health conscious, demand for high-quality, nutritious food increases. Companies like the Simply Good Foods Company, known for their Atkins brand, are well positioned in this market. They offer products that cater to health-conscious consumers. Finally, consider the role of mental health in preventative care. Companies providing mental health support and resources are growing in importance. Headspace, a digital mental health platform, offers meditation and mindfulness programs that help reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Investing in mental health can be a wise move as awareness and demand for these services rise. 6. The silent revolution: healthcare infrastructure and support services. Healthcare infrastructure and support services are often overlooked but play a critical role in the healthcare system. These companies ensure that healthcare facilities run smoothly and efficiently. For example, companies like Steris, which provide sterilization and surgical support services, are essential for maintaining hospital operations. A good strategy is to invest in companies that focus on healthcare logistics. Efficient supply chain management is vital for healthcare providers. Owens & Minor, a company that offers logistics services and medical supplies, is a key player in this field. Their services ensure that healthcare facilities have the necessary supplies to operate effectively. Another area to consider is healthcare IT and data management. Companies that provide electronic health records, EHR, and other IT solutions are in high demand. Cerner Corporation, for instance, is a leader in healthcare IT. Their systems help streamline patient care and improve operational efficiency. Facilities management is another crucial aspect of healthcare infrastructure. Companies that provide maintenance and operational services to healthcare facilities are indispensable. Aramark, which offers facilities management and food services to hospitals, is a prime example. Their services help healthcare providers focus on patient care rather than operational details. Investing in companies that offer medical equipment and device maintenance is also wise. Companies like GE Healthcare provide essential services to ensure medical equipment functions correctly. Regular maintenance is crucial for patient safety and effective treatment. Waste management in healthcare is another critical service. Companies like Stericycle specialize in medical waste disposal, helping healthcare facilities manage hazardous waste safely. Proper waste management is essential for compliance with health regulations and environmental safety. Finally, consider companies that offer staffing solutions for healthcare providers. Adequate staffing is vital for effective healthcare delivery. AMN Healthcare provides staffing services, ensuring that healthcare facilities have the necessary personnel to operate efficiently. Their services are increasingly important as healthcare demand continues to grow.